Welcome back. If you're new to this channel, I invite you to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Today we'll be doing an unboxing and a preview for some new drills that I just purchased. We're going to start with this M12. First of all, let me start with my old faithful. This is a Festool T153. I've had this for a long time. It's a very versatile drill. They have different heads you can change, angle heads and so forth. It's not the most powerful drill, but I like it. It's a sturdy tool, is well built. I like the smoothness of the motor. I like this tool a lot. But like most drill in this class is heavy. And I find it, very bothersome using it over a long period of time. So I decided to get into the more subcompact drills. And I wanted to get into a platform, a battery platform that has a wide variety of tools that I could take advantage using the same battery. So Milwaukee caught my attention. And two drills. I'll show you the other one in a second. One is going to be used primarily for assembly, and the other one is going to be more so for affixing hardware like slides and door hinges and so forth. I will do some assembly. In some cases, I will have two drills operating at the same time, one for screwing, one for drilling. And they, once again, as you're about to see, they're lightweight and compact, so I can have two of them on me versus one heavy drill. This unboxing thing is new to me, so bear patient. And this one, by the way, is a 1/4" Hex Impact Driver, and it came as a kit, as you will see. Okay, so bag in a box. Put this aside. Interesting. Everything is strapped in. Kind of remind me of the bag for my camera. Everything is strapped in. It has this knitted pocket with the instructions. Y'all know how I feel about that. I always keep these. I don't throw them away. This is the drill itself, which is very compact. Yeah, I seen it in the store, and this is what attracted me to the tool. Look how small that is. Compare that to, look at that. Look at that. Look. Interesting. Very, very interesting. It has a belt clip. It's nice. It came with one battery. Drills normally come with two batteries, but this one came with one battery. But I'll tell you what, it's a sweet deal. I think this drill normally sells for about $200, and I got it at the Home Depot for $100. So it's a sweet deal. And that's with the charger. We're gonna have to put the battery to charge, because I'm pretty sure it's not gonna be fully charged anyway. Okay, the battery does add a little bit of length to it. It has a light. Has a lot of torque. It's actually, check this out. You see that twist at the end? It has a lot of torque. It has 4 settings, 1, 2, and 3. I think this is probably the RPM range. And then I'm aware of a feature that has to do with metal screws, self-tapping metal screws in metal, which is something I don't do. That this has a special feature concerning that. Quick release. I have let's see here. I have something right here. Cool. Yep, it's in there. It's in there. Okay. You forward and reverse. Battery indicator. When you press on it, you see showing me I have 2 bars left. So as I said, I'm gonna put it to charge. So far I like what I see. I'll test it and I'll have a full review on it. Once again, this is just an unboxing and preview. Flashing red, green, damage or faulty battery pack. That's interesting. Is it possible that we got a dead on arrival? Okay, let's move on to the next tool. Well, that's no bueno so far. Can't be dead out the box. The other tool is similar to the first tool in that it has interchangeable heads. It's a drill driver that was designed mainly with the intention of being used as an installation drill. Allows you to get into awkward and tight spaces by using various attachments. That's really bugging me, guys. That is really bugging me. Okay, it's normal now. So I don't know, maybe it was the order I did things, I don't know. It's normal now. I'll report if it continues to do that, or if that problem shows up again, I'll report it back to you guys. Hopefully it wouldn't. There we go. Very handsome drill, very attractive. This one came with the main driver. And once again, let's do a little comparison to my old Trustworthy. Don't get me wrong, I love this drill. This is a very good drill. You know, sometimes I give little knocks on Festool. I love their products, but they don't always get it right. Let you know right off the top, I'm not a sheep to any particular manufacturer. When they do good, I'm gonna praise them. When they don't do good, I'm gonna let you know about it. So that, don't ever question that. Okay, but once again, look at the size. Look at the size. Came in a similar pouch. This one has a little bit more compartment. It's a little bit different from the other one. A zipper and a pocket versus a netted pocket. This one came with 2 batteries. Very lightweight. Little torquey too, not quite as torquey as the other one. Sixteen different speed plus drill. Yep. But it will pull out. That's the only problem. But you can do it. Looks weird, but you can do it nonetheless. Okay. But here's a, see if it's like the Festool. Makes it a little bit longer with a chuck, but still, again, you know, you can see that. Definitely lighter. Pretty close. All metal chuck, it looks like, yep. Just like this, all metal chuck. Both of these are 1/2 inch, right? Yeah. No. This might be a 3/8. Then you have these other attachments similar to the Festool. Standard Jacob chuck. Change the different angles. And that's the way it works. But you can change it to different angles. That's nice. Offset. By the way, guys, this kit was also on sale. It normally sells for $229 at Home Depot, but I got it for $179. This is an offset. This is very useful for cabinet installation. It allows you to get into tight spots. Notice they both have the LED light, the work light. Well, similar to what I was trying to do earlier with putting the bit straight in here, that's what this one is intended for. So I'm going to use it this way a lot as a driver. Or you can go directly into it. Secure. I like that. We're gonna make a little bit of space over here, and we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna put one of these batteries to charge, one of them at least. Okay, worked on the first try. So we'll keep our eye on this one. Hopefully it was just user error. Now this one, I got an extra bonus with it. It was a free gift you could have got when you purchased this. One of them was a light, and one of them I think was a, I don't remember what it was. It was a couple other things, but anyway, one of the choices was an extra battery. Knowing that the impact driver only came with one battery, I got the other battery. So now I have 4 batteries, which is a great thing. So this is the battery. We have this one here. We'll put it to charge later. So all in all, I think I got a hell of a deal, to be honest with you. I think this is a steal. Very versatile. From what I can tell, I'm gonna put it through its paces. Look at that. 2. I have 2 of them now. Impact. Use this for driving screws, my cabinet bills, and I have a handy drill driver, a versatile drill driver. So we're talking about $279. Give you this in the kit form. 2 chargers, 4 batteries, and all of these accessories. So I think this is a either Black Friday or pre-Black Friday type deal going on. So it's a good idea to go out to your local Home Depot and see if you can grab one of these if you don't own this. The reviews are very high. Once again, I'm gonna put it to my own paces and I'm gonna have a review on it. But you can look at other reviews out there, and if you're comfortable that for the price, which I do feel for the price is worth it, you can go out and take advantage of this sale while it's going on. No affiliation with Home Depot. So once again, I invite you, if you're not subscribed yet, to please subscribe, hit the bell notification, and leave a comment. Comments help me to know, what I can do differently, what I can do better, what topics I need to cover in the future. It helps shape the direction of the channel. So thank you for watching and have a good day. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to be notified when new content is dropped on this channel, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and drop a comment down below.